Plaque and tartar buildup are common dental problems that can lead to more serious issues if left untreated. In this video, we will explore 9 natural ways to remove plaque and tartar buildup, helping you maintain a healthy and bright smile. 1. Removing tartar with baking soda. For an effective and natural method to combat plaque and tartar buildup, consider incorporating baking soda into your oral hygiene routine. Simply sprinkle a small amount of baking soda onto a damp toothbrush and gently brush your teeth and gums to remove plaque. Allow the baking soda to sit for about 15 minutes before thoroughly rinsing your mouth. This simple practice can help neutralize damaging acids from beverages and food, eliminate bacteria, and naturally whiten your teeth, providing a multifaceted approach to oral health. 2. Mix aloe vera and glycerin. Aloe vera has a lot of benefits, but did you know that it can also keep your teeth free from plaque? Take a cup of water, combine it with half a cup of baking soda and a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then, add a healthy dose of lemon essential oil and 4 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. Now scrub your teeth with the formula and wake up to a shiny set of gnashers in the morning. 3. Salt and mustard oil massage. Salt and mustard oil are a traditional remedy in Indian Ayurveda for oral health. A study published in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrated Medicine found that using a mixture of salt and mustard oil as a mouthwash significantly reduced plaque and gingivitis. Mix a teaspoon of salt with a tablespoon of mustard oil and swish the mixture in your mouth for a few minutes before spitting it out and rinsing with water. 4. White vinegar to remove tartar. Using white vinegar is another method that can cut through tartar. Start by mixing white vinegar in a glass of warm salt water. This solution can then be gargled once a day to aid in the removal of tartar that has formed on the region between the teeth and gums. The mixture should be made from 2 tablespoons of white vinegar into a cup of warm water with dissolved salt. The acidic nature of the white vinegar means that this method is very effective in killing unwanted bacteria and preventing infection. 5. Using orange peels for tartar. Orange peels are also a great way to get rid of tartar. This is easy to do as you just take the inside of an orange peel and rub it along the teeth and gum areas. Another method is used by making a paste from the mashed bits of the inside of the peel and mixing them with water. This paste can then be applied to the teeth with a toothbrush. The vitamin C and antimicrobial properties of the orange peel cuts through on tartar and plaque, as well as killing microbial growth on teeth. 6. Eat lots of fruit and vegetables. Eating fruit and vegetables isn't just great for your teeth. It's also essential for your whole body. Plus, eating fruits and vegetables can also remove plaque naturally. Munch on some apples, celery sticks, carrots, and peppers to get your teeth looking strong and healthy in no time. 7. Munch on sesame seeds. Sesame seeds can be an active dental scrub. It gently removes plaque and tartar without damaging teeth. Just pop a handful of sesame seeds into your mouth. Chew them up but do not swallow them. Take a dry toothbrush and brush your teeth while the seeds are still in your mouth. They will act as a scrub and delicately score the surface of stained teeth. 8. Oil pulling with coconut oil. Oil pulling with coconut oil involves swishing a tablespoon of the oil in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring it moves between your teeth. This traditional practice is thought to reduce bacteria, promote oral hygiene, and freshen breath. While not scientifically proven to remove plaque and tartar as effectively as traditional dental hygiene methods, its antimicrobial properties, thanks to lauric acid, may contribute to a healthier mouth environment. It's essential to spit out the oil post-pulling to avoid ingesting the bacteria it has collected. Remember, this should complement, not replace, regular brushing and flossing. 9. Make a supervitamin paste. Creating a supervitamin paste is a fantastic way to harness the natural power of vitamin C to combat plaque and tartar buildup. Simply mash together a mix of vitamin C-rich fruits, such as oranges, tomatoes, and strawberries, to form a thick, potent paste. Apply this mixture directly to areas of concern on your teeth, letting it sit for about 5 minutes to maximize its bacteria-fighting capabilities. After the time has elapsed, rinse your mouth thoroughly to reveal a cleaner, healthier smile. This method leverages the natural antibacterial properties of vitamin C to promote oral health. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Let's spread awareness together. Thanks for watching.